our 3-level dry food display. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have at least 13¼ inches in length. And the depth from the front bin to the back of the frame, we have 22¼ inches. Measurement from the back of the last bin to the front of the second tier, we have at least 18 inches. Each bin can be removed. Single and double-sided doors for each bin, and each one can be removed for easy cleaning and refill. The measurements for the frame minus the bins. For the lowest level, we have at least 4¼ inches in height. The second, we have 10¼ inches. And the top, 16½ inches. Last but not least, the measurement for each bin will consist of 8 inches in length by 10¼ inches in height. For more information on this product, give us a call and visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information. Thank you.